Hello and welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and it is day 9 here in Malta. So I'm still on Gozo Island, but we've just checked out of the hotel. Very nice, had them few drinks last night, and yeah, we're going to go travel around the island a little bit. So I'm going to head up to the north coast and have a drive down there and take you along with us. So I'll catch you soon.
Get up on it and do my channel's thriving on it. Don't see the online. Get a little grip of my get a little grip of my ooh. I'm shining without you, so bright, baby, so bright. Focus on me, focus on me.
So I've just pulled up at the next location, and I don't have a clue in any way, shape or form how to pronounce it, but it is this one. So the sun's starting to come out a little bit, but it's still very cloudy and incredibly windy. So I'm hoping it dies down a little bit so that we can throw the drone up. So we're going to head over to the cliff now. Nestled between steep cliffs, this picturesque valley has been a hidden gem for centuries. It's perfect for hiking, photography and enjoying the natural landscape. The narrow gorge leads to a secluded beach, offering a peaceful retreat away from crowds. Historically, this valley has been used by locals for agriculture and fishing, avoiding its cultural significance. Ideal for nature lovers and adventure seekers, this is a must-see.
Don't see the online. Get a little grip of my get a little grip of my ooh. I'm shining without you, so bright, baby, so bright. Focus on me, 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 focus on me.
Why do I end up like this? Waiting by the phone like you'll call me again. I've been down low ever since, and I don't know how long it's been. Days pass by like it's hours. Sweet memories turning sour. And yeah, I said that I'd forget all these memories in my head, but it's the only thing I have left. I keep my hopes up, one day you'll show up. Tell me that you love me again. I say I'm sorry, you'll come and hug me, but I know that it's all in my head. 'Cause you're gone, yeah, you're gone, you're gone, you're gone. And I was wrong, thinking you might come along. 'Cause you're gone, so you're gone, you're gone, you're gone. But I keep dreaming of why you're, 'cause I'm in denial. Yeah. Now it's too late to regret it. All the hurtful things I said. And yeah, I know I'm all alone. Lie to myself 'cause I can't let go. 'Cause it's the hardest pill to swallow, knowing you ain't coming back at all. So I keep my hope.
And luckily I managed to get the drone up, so because yeah, it was really pretty up there. The drone was struggling with the wind a little bit, but we got there. So we're going to head back to the car and then probably go find something to eat, because I've not had any breakfast yet and I'm a little bit peckish because I didn't eat a huge amount yesterday. So yeah, let's go find some food. We've just arrived at the next location, which is probably going to murder it. Xwejni, I can't remember, beach. Obviously the name is on the side as always, because I always murder them, but we're going to take a little walk around, and we decided we'll go for some food after Ray's finished her meeting, so we can go meet her and then go back into Victoria and walk around there a little bit more and find some food. So let's go see this beach because it looks very, very pretty. Known for its unique salt pans and breathtaking coastal views, Xwejni Beach is a perfect destination for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. The beach's picturesque landscape includes fascinating rock formations and clear blue waters. Ideal for swimming and snorkeling, the history of the area has been used for its salt production, a tradition that dates back centuries and continues to this day. Immerse yourself in the natural beauty and rich cultural heritage of Xwejni Beach. And we've now made it to Victoria. We've picked Ray up and we're going to go for some nice little nibbles and just a walk around the town basically and have a see a bit more than we did the other day. So let's go and have a see.
And spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 도도한테 또가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Meet me up near the riverside. We can push everything aside. Make stars align. Let's just collide. Yeah, yeah. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice.
We've now arrived at, I'm going to go for Xerri's Grotto. Whether that's how you pronounce it or not, I don't know. But we're going to have a little walk around here hopefully, and I shall show you on the way. Dive into the enchanted world of Xerri's Grotto in Gozo. This fascinating underground cave was discovered in the 1920s and offers an amazing array of rock formations that were formed over thousands of years. It's located beneath a private residence, and the grotto was found during a well excavation and has since become a popular attraction. A visit to Xerri's Grotto reveals the stunning natural formations and a glimpse into the island's history. Guided tours take you down a spiral staircase which was originally carved out by the discoverer. Perfect for adventure seekers and history buffs, this hidden gem showcases the incredible beauty and mystery lying beneath Gozo's surface. They had a small amount of parking outside and the entry cost was €2.50. So running with the theme of caves, we've now made it to Calypso Cave, which is about a 5-10 minute drive from the previous one. So we're parked up, it's so windy up here. I'm going to try my best to edit out all the wind, but we've got nice views, it's a bit cloudy. We're going to take a walk around this cave And then a little bit further down, I think there's an abandoned lodge, so we'll have a walk down there as well. Well, I don't know whether I was being stupid or what, but I couldn't find the cave. Reading the sign, it looked like it said... It looked like it was saying basically that the viewing point near the cave, so I don't know whether you could even get to the cave, so yeah, but we're gonna go down this way and then have a see at some of the abandoned places that are down there. And now I'm back at the apartment. So it's been a really nice day, quite chilled, and then getting the ferry back. And me and Ray had a little drink after dropping the other guy off. And yeah, it's been pretty decent. So I am gonna head to bed now because I wanna get up early and go for a nice drive around the island. I'm not too sure what part yet, but yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed today's video. And if you have, please like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post, because we've still got tons of Malta videos to come. Yeah, so keep exploring the world one footprint at a time. And until next week, adios.